Brand's Bird's Nest, the world's first bottled bird nest. Made from 100% genuine bird's nests, rare, precious, and pure. For centuries, bird's nests have traditionally been consumed to nourish the lungs, to improve skin complexion. These gifts of nature undergo a meticulous sorting and cleaning process that combines advanced technology with honed craftsmanship. They are authenticated using a sophisticated FTIR fingerprinting technology. Then sorted with cutting-edge 3CCD cameras. All impurities, including microscopic particles, are carefully removed to ensure that only genuine bird's nests will be processed. Every batch goes through 140 quality checks to ensure they meet world-class standards. Without added preservatives, coloring or flavoring, all the goodness is locked in with Brand's triple safety cap. With this level of perfection, Brand's Bird's Nest has been accredited the Monde Selection Gold Award. Brand's Bird's Nest is the best-selling bottled bird's nest in Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Brand's Bird's Nest, the only genuine bird's nest that cares for you.